ebe minisita yabigambo byaba narebukaho mu kakiiko k'ishengyero ak'eby'obushobozi akari kukorerwaho na rebo mwine mpaka ora MP ahabwamba City House okumanya hamivuyo eryo ministry.
I was not in any way involved in looking for the building for doing that. Okay. But then when it was brought to light to me that they had gone and done a survey which we are talking of, I don't know whether, you know, in things in government, as I was interviewed, are all written down by statute. You can't change anything. You don't lead me to say that I was involved. I could never be involved because that was not my role.
Minisita yagambira akakiiko ngo atwire nagezaho okuborereza okw'ebintu biri kutwaza bwo ministry bitu bamugira ngo abirugeho ogota umurimo gwe.
How do you feel when you hear that you are using your own money for fuel and the engineer who sat next to you is giving a certain company 2 million shillings fuel from Kampala to Entebbe? How do you feel? And you're going to meet him again in the corridor.
I'm saying that this is the man who has been taking my money. If you gentlemen,
Chair, the budget review is 800 million.
Excuse me, Chairman, I'm basically a man who knows accountability and business and money. And I think as she interviewed me, she saw, the Parliament of Uganda saw that I could do this job. But then, these odd things have happened in my ministry. And I'm glad that this time, let them be investigated. I don't want to take it long and waste your time about it.
Tewali kimaze maanyi nga Minisita Mwebesa kugamba nti yagenda n'abaako byebuuza ebyali bigenda obubi ewa PS n'amugamba bino tebikwatako genda okola ebirala. Ani asupervising ani?
Twavugana Minisita Mwebesa ekyatangaza yadigira ngwe n'abanja gavumenti amashitage emotika ya gavumenti yakuvuga tebakamuha sente z'amashita kutwareba mu bitabo ba minisita bandi na ba accountant na ba tenant mu ministry kandi bo bina amashita ati ntwebuuza we amashita geya awenje batagamuha yatushaba ngo tumuyambe ko nkitwe nga ba members ba parliament twine ngo kutura muyambe azo ministry enwe mukama wa ministry ale permanent secretary sendeze bazimugaruzi
mpaka yashaba minister okufayo kwetegereza hanshonga ya kadi z'amajuta ezero kuhebwa ministry gasha kwa Jimem Homza.